Hi, I'm Mr. Lepovsky, the auto body teacher at Brashear High School. Let me introduce you to my class. In my class, you will learn the fundamentals of body and collision repair using state-of-the-art equipment and earning the ASE industry certification. The following will be learned in my class: painting vehicles, repair vehicles involved in collisions, learning how to MIG weld, panel replacement, bolted and welded, rust repair, applying body fillers, frame pulling and front end alignments, detailing cars, along with many other skills, including learning soft skills of the trade and working hand in hand with your classmates, duplicating a real-life work experience. So, if you think you or a friend have an interest in auto body at Brashear High School, sign up soon online. Class seats are limited. Hope to see you.